In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a Google document as a PDF. The process is very straightforward and simple, and this will work on no matter what device you are using. Both Mac and PC will work. So once you've opened up your Google Doc that you want to save as a PDF, all you need to do is come to the menu bar here at the top, click on File, and then you'll see the option here that says Download. Then you want to click on PDF document, so download as PDF document. Click on that, and just like that, you can see the PDF document has been downloaded, and it is in fact a PDF. If I show in Finder, you can see here it says beach.pdf. I can open this up with preview, and you can basically just see this as a PDF. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.